It's people celebrating. It's people celebrating. With you, Ghost Hlubi got into an accident. Like, hey bo, sisaba abantu abanjani kanti Africa, South Africa. No man, isho ukuthi lo mfana uyabanyisa kahle kahle. Like lo mfana lo i-downfall yakhe abantu khona abantu abayithandazelayo nje ukuthi athi nje ngavela iphuke leyo guys. People must fix their hearts honestly, because this person could have lost their lives. Thank God he's fine. Thank God akalimalanga ndawo. And apparently the accident was that this person lo amshayisile lo oshayisa yena ohamba ngeToyota kuye umuntu obe wrong ku-accident bebathi bayalandela. So imagine that Toyota guy car has to pay for ama repairs. Hayi usukujikele idlozi angeke. We are repairs with BM. Yeah guys, so I'm just disappointed that a lot of people were like excitedly happy about the fact that he got into an accident. I don't like that. I get into you, but it's a hat. Guys, I'm saying shulegi like thinking again.